Hey, what's going on, guys? Bit sore from a match, but just heard the news. JD Flame might be leaving. So we're here to throw a barbecue.
Yeah! JD Flame going away barbecue! Woo!
Fuck, I'm sore.
Thank fucking God! Thank fucking God!
Wait, what? What?
Can you eat it? I had to do this in prison.
You look kind of retarded when you're cooking sausages on the barbecue.
Feel free. One time only. Never do this again. JD Flame could be leaving with on the bash. SPWS style. Got any onions, man?
No, onion not here.
Snack is coming along pretty good, you know?
Someone had it. Yeah, I talked to that you
See you in a bit.
I walk on hot coals.
Sure, I'm melting. This heat's intense.
We got a specially reserved hot dog for JD Flame. It's still steaming.
Yeah, the cooked ones. Especially for Ben.
Checked if there was blood on my skin.
Listen up!
Juvies!
Hot dogs are ready. Come grab our meat.
For Jews or Juvies? Or Jews?
Both!
Yeah, don't all rush at once, you know? It's not like you're gonna eat or nothing.
1, 2, 3, or 5.
Fucking pig. 1. If you're hungry later, 1. Hey, one slice of bread. What's wrong with you?
One sausage.
Does anyone know if JD Flame's hungry?
JD Flame is hungry.
Because we got his hot dog.
No, I don't feel like a hot dog. Ow.
Barbecue cleaning time. Match coming up. My SPWS brother, Kaos versus Clint Marshall. If I was a betting man,
Oh, I left your can of Coke there.
my money on Clint Marshall. Nah, not really.
I've been fair with
Kaos, right now, mentally preparing himself for this. He's been preparing all week. He's just not let down. He's been a completely different person. He's more focused than ever. I don't see him losing. Clint Marshall better watch out. Kaos is on a mission. So, second batch cooked up now. And final batch. Getting ever so close to the main event of the day. Hopefully you get to see the end of JD. And this will all be worth it. So feel free, have a hot dog on SPWS. Back.
No, this is the end! The end! Give me the fucking table! Give me the... Oh, come on, come on! I thought we were friends, man. I thought we were friends!
They don't like you. Nothing. You do it. 1, 2, 3. You're gone, buddy.
Come on!
You're out, LaFleur. Yeah. You're out.
This is ridiculous!
Still go cut it.
Well run!
You're about as... Hey, wait. Look off the back of the hand. Still go cut it.
Wait.
What about at the beginning when he walks into the...
I was only joking, guys. We know this. We're friends, guys.
I call this the shack and
Seriously. Please, guys. Please.
Be there!
Ice man.
Kill him!
We're friends. This is Chaos.
Rip his head off
Right.
my socket.
We've had such good matches.
I'm gonna take this time to say goodbye.
And 80's family.
Oh!
You get
Oh!
Too many dreads.
Come on! Come on! No, man! No!
You win. SPWS! Yeah, I hold on and twist it. That'll say.
Oh, God, it's so hot!
No son invincible now. I'm a chicken ass man. Have a bit.